In 2017, PowerWheels F150. The car that you see on the screen is designed for young car enthusiasts from the age of 3 to 7 years. On the outside, the PowerWheels F150 repeats every little detail of the SUV Ford F150. Like a real off-roader, it has increased cross-country ability. Unlike many other toy electric vehicles, the PowerWheels F150 is able to ride on wet grass and hard and uneven surfaces safely and without shaking. In order for the child to feel as if he were behind the wheel of a real car, an FM radio is built into the small dashboard, and there's an MP3 connector. Two kids can simultaneously use this car. The driver's and passenger seats are equipped with seatbelts as well. To ensure that parents don't worry about the young car enthusiasts, the car is equipped with parental control, which is used to set the speed and control the brakes. It's noteworthy that the PowerWheels F150 has two operating modes. In the first mode, it develops a speed of up to 4 km per hour, and in the second one, it accelerates up to 8. You can buy this kid's car starting at $370. Toyota Camatte. This concept car was shown at the Tokyo Toy Show in 2014. The manufacturer calls it a car for children of all ages. Its main task is to prove that cars are not only beautiful, but also interesting. With this project, Toyota hopes to draw potential designers and engineers into the automotive world. The main feature of the Toyota Camatte is the hood equipped with a lot of LEDs. Any visitor to the exhibition could decorate the car with his or her own design. To do this, it had to be put on paper, and then this pattern was read by a special scanner and passed on to the LED hood. The manufacturer demonstrated the car without an external frame, so that anyone could examine its internal structure. Unfortunately, until now, the Toyota Camatte remains just a concept car. It's unlikely to be mass-produced in the near future, as the price of the LED panel is very high. Mini Volkswagen Beetle Herbie. This children's car was inspired by the famous sports Beetle Herbie, the protagonist of such films as Herbie Fully Loaded and The Love Bug. This is an exact copy of the Volkswagen Beetle. It is noteworthy that although a child can use the car, it's equipped with an impressive engine with a capacity of 6.5 horsepower. Thanks to it, the car is able to reach speeds of up to 40 km per hour. Among other interesting features, the car has brakes and shock absorbers on each wheel. In other words, despite its modest size in comparison with other cars, the mini Volkswagen Beetle Herbie is able to perform its main standard function, the transport of passengers. Two children can be accommodated inside, or a child with an adult. It's worth noting that the creator doesn't recommend letting children less than 6 years old to travel without the supervision of the adults. This car is able to give a young car lover an invaluable driving experience, because it has brakes, lights, and rearview mirrors. In short, absolutely everything you'd need to feel like you're driving a real car. By the way, according to the creator, he tried to make the toy Herbie look as much as possible similar to the original. Even the numbers are identical. Mercedes-Benz Kid. The lineup of children's electric vehicles from the company Mercedes-Benz has a fairly large number of models. Among them, there are the S63 and the V8 that cost about $360. The remote control makes pastime fun not only for children, but also for adults. Parents can ride their kids in the car, controlling its movements, or allowing the child to ride it independently, at the same time to monitor them and ensure their safety. Such cars are designed for children from 2 to 5 years old. The remarkable features include operable doors and a trunk, a built-in MP3 player and an MP3 connector. The control is simple and intuitive, even for the smallest of kids. Mini McLaren P1. The car that you see on the screen was modeled after the famous hybrid McLaren P1. The electric car is designed for children up to 6 years of age, and despite its modest size, is equipped with the latest technology. There's air conditioning, an audio system, and even a functioning backlight. The Mini McLaren can accelerate up to 5 km/h in just 2 seconds. Apart from its size, this compact model differs from the current McLaren car for its capacity and cost. The toy is designed for only 1 passenger and has a ridiculous price compared to its prototype. The model hit the market in the fall of 2016, and you can buy a Mini McLaren P1 for about $500. Mini truck. The world of toy electric cars pleases buyers not only with passenger cars. This is a real toy truck, one of the cars in the line designed for 2 children. Some especially large models have a roomy enough cabin where it can even fit an adult. The toy model is equipped with a horn so that the child can get used to the role of the driver and feel at the wheel of a real truck. Most of these models are produced in Brazil, and unfortunately we couldn't find out their price. The Tesla Model S for kids. 2 companies have worked together to create this toy car, Radio Flyer and Tesla. The manufacturer claims that this is their first and only car, which uses a unique lithium-ion battery for transportation. It provides the model with a large power reserve and allows it to quickly recharge. Unlike other similar cars which need about 8 hours to charge up, the Tesla Model S takes only 3 hours for full charge. It's noteworthy that the charging connector is in the same place as the fuel filler cap of an ordinary car. That is, the process looks like real refueling. It's worth noting that the childish Tesla Model S is similar to the adult car, and it's even equipped with a special protective cover. The only difference, of course, is the size. In the luggage compartment of the car, there's a button that shifts the gears, and therefore the model is suitable even for the smallest of riders, as well as for older kids. On the first gear, the car accelerates to 5 km/h, on the second, almost to 10 km/h. You can buy this car for your kid for $600.